The Snyders Whizzler Filler Capper, a compact monoblock with state-of-the-art technology. Are you looking for filler capper monoblock with limited floor space, easy to operate, easy to change over, and easy to clean? The Whizzler Filler Capper monoblock is developed on the basis of Snyders Scaldis Capper. It can be equipped with different filling modules, servo-driven pistons, pressure vessel with flow meters, or third-party filling systems. The Whizzler has a servo-driven star wheel, guaranteeing a smooth bottle transfer. Bottles are coming from an in-feed table and are fed into the star wheel. A filling beam with up to 4 heads follow the step-by-step movement of the filler capper monoblock. The filler continues to fill during the stops of the star wheel, ensuring a higher capacity and better accuracy than a step-by-step filler. Filled bottles are transferred to the on-head, servo-driven capping head. Finally, bottles are fed out on the exit conveyor. An operator-friendly HMI guides the operator through the format changeover and CIP process. A bottle format changeover requires the change of one star wheel set only. It can be done easily while the machine can be accessed from most sides. Operators receive instructions from the operator panel for the CIP. All drives, motors, PLC and operator panels are sourced from Siemens to ease the communication between the heart, the brains and nervous system of the machine. With a capacity of up to 3000 bph and a floor space of only 4 square meters, the Whizzler is a very versatile and efficient filler capper monoblock, especially for bottle formats between 50 and 1000 milliliters. Call us for more information on the Snyders filling and capping equipment.